In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Games Launcher. So first off, as you can see in here, you just have to go to your Epic Games Launcher. You make sure you'll have logged in. Just go to settings and just scroll down and just edit Vault location. And once you're in here, just reset this. And after that, once it's done, you should go to your Epic Games Launcher. So first off, go to Epic Games Launcher, just open file location. You just go to properties and make sure you have to go to compatibility and run this program as administrator and just click apply and okay. Now the third method is just go to local app. So you just have to local app. Now just click Windows and R. Now once you are in here, just search for local app data. Now once you are done, you will be navigated here. So you just have to delete this, the two of them. Now once it's done, it will never so this will happen if you have still opening your Epic Games. So make sure you have to exit that. Just exit it. Now I have to try that again. Just delete that. Try again. Now if you have found Fortnite here also, you just have to delete that, and that's it.